Let's solve this equation for x. This equation contains fractions, and the first thing you need to notice is that the variable that we're solving for, there's two of them in the denominator spot. So you have to be careful with your solutions, because whatever value we find for x, we have to make sure that we're not dividing by 0. So the only value that makes x here, the bottom 0, is 0. So if we solve this and get 0, we would have to throw that solution away. We cannot have 0. Any other number is possible in this scenario, but 0 would be no good. Alright, so once you realize that, the next thing to do is we can get rid of the fractions here by multiplying by the least common multiple of x, 4, and x. It's going to be 4x, so we want to multiply both sides by 4x. We're going to distribute it on the left and also multiply to the right. Alright, so we have 4x times this 5x, 5 minus x over x. We got 4x times 3 over 4, and we got 7 times 4x over x. That is going to eliminate the denominators. See, the x's here are gone. I'm going to distribute the 4. I get 20 minus 4x. Here, the 4's are gone. I got x times 3. I'll put the 3 in front. I'll get 3x. And on the right-hand side, these x's cancel. I'm just left with 7 times 4, which is 28. And you can see that we end up with a linear equation involving x. We need to be able to solve this now. We can combine these. These are like terms. You just add the coefficients. You can think of this as a negative 4 plus a negative 4. Negative 4 plus 3 is a negative 1. That will end up with a minus x equals 28. Now we can get rid of this 20, subtract 20 on both sides. We get to a negative x equals 8. But we want x, not negative x. You can think of this as a negative 1. We can divide both sides by negative 1. That'll just leave you x on the left, and 8 divided by negative 1 is negative 8. Now remember, once you get your solution, you need to go back and make sure you're not dividing by 0. And if we plug negative 8 in here, we're not dividing by 0. So we're good to go. There's your solution.